I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah.
Good morning, my sweet friends. Happy Friday morning from Australia. It's probably not going to be Friday when you see this video, but this is me Friday morning in my bedroom in its current state. And yes, that is a pile of pillows over there. Do you do this every night, guys? Pull your pillows off the bed to get into it. Pile of pillows, husband's fan, sleeps with a fan for the last 22 years since I married him, even in the middle of winter. Bless him. Now, what we're doing today is I'm going to completely change over my bedding. Now, I currently have this bedding on here. I will add, it is in the middle of winter here in Australia at the moment. So I know a lot of my overseas friends are enjoying their summer, but right now it is freezing here. So I have this grey, soft duvet cover from Spotlight. And I love it. It is so cozy. It's like sleeping with a teddy bear. It is beautiful. And I had it last year. I don't know if you remember, last year I had this in cream. And I loved it too. But this year, Spotlight brought out a blush pink. And you know I've been doing the blush pink series in my home. So today, I'm going to be doing my glam bedroom in blush pink. And I also picked up the European pillowcase for my big white pillows over there. So I'm going to give this room a really good clean, add this duvet cover, and I also have another duvet that I'm going to put on top that I actually got from eBay. It's a white one. I've had it on my bed for a couple of weeks now, but I'm going to show you in this clip where I got that from eBay. I'll leave it linked down below. It is gorgeous as well. So let's get started.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. Why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
managed to get the pink on, and I absolutely love it, guys. It is so soft and cozy. It is seriously like a big teddy bear wrap. And now what I'm going to do though is I'm going to completely style it with another duvet cover that I have from eBay. Now it is white. I love the contrast of pink and white together, so I'm going to play around with that right now. Okay, so I've managed to put on the second duvet. Now I absolutely love this one too, guys. It is such pretty ruffles, and it's really quite thick, which is perfect for winter time. And I absolutely love how it goes with the white and the pink. Really soft, guys. This is really beautiful, beautiful fabric on both pieces. So I've just laid it over. I added this little Good Morning Gorgeous sign that was from Big W last year. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dust down everything in the room and give it a good vacuum. And I'm pretty much done, guys. I just wanted something simple but makes a statement. And I really love blush pink. Now guys, I also wanted to add some beautiful blush pink flower arrangements to my nightstands. These ones here are from TK Maxx Australia that I got last year. Now I also wanted to make some flower arrangements, guys, and I picked up these beautiful vintage boxes. They're from a store called Ronnie's Home Depot here, and I'm really loving that rustic vintage shabby chic look about them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some of my existing flowers and make a really pretty flower arrangement. Now I've already placed inside them, guys, these beautiful bags of pop puree. They are in the scent Enon and they smell divine. I absolutely love something when I'm lying on my bed and I can smell that beautiful fragrance next to me on my nightstands. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking some white and pink flowers and I'm playing around with the design that I'm going to create inside these boxes.
This place, I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Guys, you know I've been loving sharing my blush pink series with you, and I absolutely love how my bedroom came.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh!
Just by taking a few simple ideas, adding some blush pink touches, I was able to create that cozy glam feel I was aiming for. I'm totally in love with these beautiful duvet covers, guys. I love the mix of blush pink and the white ruffles. It really gives that really pretty effect. I'll leave a link to both of these duvet covers for you down below. Now above my bed I have the "You Had Me at Hello" sign, and all I've done here, guys, is took some really pretty pink flowers from Kmart and I've just placed them on the ledge. This just gives that little bit of a pink touch as well. Morning Gorgeous cushion. I picked this up last year, guys, from Big W, and I absolutely love the black piping of the cushion. I really think it gives a lot of contrast and makes the cushion stand out. Grouping of the flowers that I put together on my nightstands, guys, but behind the nightstands I've added these new beautiful white scalloped edge mirrors that I picked up from Spotlight. I thought they went so perfectly with that white ruffled duvet cover, and I love the contrast it gives on my black wallpaper wall. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to decorate her home. I love everything glam, everything Chanel, anything that sparkles, that has Chelle's name on it. But I also love to share my ideas of rustic and farmhouse and anything that really takes my eye. And I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your glam bedroom's blush pink. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.